This is the introductory lesson of the numeration of the decimal system using the number cards. This is how we write 1. This is 1. This is how we write 10. This is 10. This is how we write 100. 100. And this is how we write 1,000. 1,000. Can you show me 100? Yes, that's 100. Where's 10? That's 10. Can you point to 1,000? Yes, that's 1,000. Where's 1? That's 1. That's a lot of mixing. What's this? Yes, that's 100. What's this say? Yep, that's 10. What's this? That says 1,000. How about this one? Yes, that says 1. So today we learned how we write 1, 10, 100, and 1,000. Let me move these over so you can see them better.